Hello everyone, Innovative Noble, Namaskar. Welcome back to our online classes. It's me, Aarti Vishwakarma, teacher of Noble Environment Academy and great teacher of Montessori Nursery Rose. So before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, Noble Environment Academy. So we are going to start our exercise. Our exercise name is reading alphabetic letters from A up to Z. So we all know that we have finished our capital alphabetic letter. So today we are going to revise it. So everyone read with me. First of all, I will give you the introduction of material. Okay. This is mat. Made by what? Made by cotton. Which color is this? Which color is this? This is green color. And which shape is this? This is shape is rectangle. And it has how many corner? It has 4 corner. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner. And both sides are equal, top to bottom, left to right. Okay, now tell me, what is this? This is box and made by wood. And which color is this? Color is green. And which shape is this? And shape is keyboard. Okay. Tell me, what is this? Do you know what is this? This is sandpaper car and made by what? Made by wood. And which color is this? This is blue color. And which shape is this? Shape is square. And how many corner? It has 4 corner. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner. And what is this? What we call? This is indicator line, which is in red color. And which part is this? This is smooth part. And which part is this? This is rough part. So our introduction is finished. Now keep this box right side of the mat. So now we are going to start our exercise. Our exercise name is alphabetic letter from A for apple up to Z for zebra. Now everyone, are you all ready? Are you all ready or not? Okay, let's start. Okay. Okay. Tell me, which letter is this? Which letter is this? This is A for apple. A for apple. Which letter is this? This is B for ball. Tell me, which letter is this? This is letter C for cat. This is D for dog. This is E for elephant. Which letter is this? Do you remember? This is F for fish. Which letter is this? This is G for gun. Which letter is this? This is H for house. This is I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Which letter is this? This is J for jug. Which letter is this? This is K for kite. Which letter is this? This is L for lion. Next, this is M for monkey. Which letter is this? This is N for nose. This is O for orange. This is P for parrot. This is Q for queen. Tell me which letter is this? This is R for rabbit. Which letter is this? This is S for sun. This is T for tiger. Which letter is this? This is U for umbrella. Tell me which letter is this? This is V for van. Which letter is this? This is W for watch. And which letter is this? Do you remember? X for Xmas tree. This is Y for yak. And the last, which letter is this? Do you remember? This is letter Z for zebra. Okay, now all of you read with me, okay? A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for gun. G for gun. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for what? M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. Yes. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. And R for what? R for what? R for rabbit. Yes, very good. S for what? S for sun. Good. And T for tiger. T for tiger. And U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay, now I will ask you, okay? Tell me. Okay, now tell me, which letter is this? Do you know which letter is this? Yes, this is F for fish. Okay, next. Okay, tell me, which letter is this? Which letter is this? This is letter O for orange. O for orange. Okay. Which letter is this? Yes, this is T for tiger. Okay, now. Okay. Tell me, which letter is this? This is what? Which letter is this? Yes, this is K for kite. Okay, again last time we will read together, okay? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We are finished. Now I am going to place back this sandpaper card. Okay. Which letter is this? Yes, this is A for apple. Which letter is this? This is B for ball. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is C for cat. Which letter is this? This is D for dog. Which letter is this? This is E for elephant. Which letter is this? This is F for fish. Okay, tell me, which letter is this? Which letter is this? Yes, this is G for gun. Okay, tell me, which letter is this? This is H for house. Okay, next. Which letter is this? This is I for ice cream. Which letter is this? This is J for jug. And which letter is this? This is K for kite. This is L for lion. This is M for monkey. Tell me which letter is this? This is N for nose. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is O for orange. Which letter is this? This is P for parrot. Good. Which letter is this? This is Q for queen. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is R for rabbit. Next, tell me which letter is this? Anyone know? Which letter is this? This is S for sun. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is T for tiger. Which letter is this? This is U for umbrella. Okay, now tell me which letter is this? This is V for van. Okay, next, which letter is this? This is W for watch. W for watch. Tell me which letter is this? This is X for Xmas tree. Next, tell me which letter is this? This is Y for yak. And the last one is, which letter is this? Do you remember? Yes, this is Z for zebra. So it's time for the homework. So today's homework is write the missing letter. So here is the alphabetic letter and here is the blank space. So you have to fill up this. What comes after A? Yes, A after comes B. Like this you have to write this. Okay. So all of you do your homework completely. Thank you.